Hello, welcome. So today let's talk about how you can use Windows 11 while your system doesn't meet the Windows 11 system requirement. First of all, you can use PC Health Check. PC Health Check is a Windows application which will help or brings you up to date info on your Windows device health, helping you to take actions, improve your device performance, and troubleshoot performances problem. It is periodically updated based on customer feedback to help you make the most of your Windows PC. So how to install it? Maybe it's already in there, so you can click and run it. It will check the your Windows status, whether it meets the Windows 11 requirements or not. To download it, you can go to Support Microsoft and download it and install it in your PC. So, as my PC currently doesn't meet Windows 11 system requirements, but when I go through now here, properties, can see Windows 11 is already in my PC. I've already installed it. Actually, I was using Windows 10. It upgraded itself to Windows 11, while my PC doesn't meet Windows 11 system requirements. So don't be scared of this message which says this PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements, because it might be so, but you might be able to use or to install Windows 11 in your PC. Or if you're using either Windows 10, it still can be upgraded to Windows 11. So how I did this, there is one thing called Windows Insider. So I joined Windows Insider. If you join Windows Insider, and actually this feature is available for everyone. If you join this, you get a privilege to access area the features of Windows. So while I joined this, it made me able to experience Windows 11 on my PC. So I did it plugging my PC into internet, then it upgraded itself to Windows 11. So how to use Windows 11 on this PC which doesn't meet Windows 11 system requirements. You can just join Windows Insider. So this is how I did it, and it worked. So by summary, what we've learned is you still can use Windows 11 even if your PC doesn't meet system requirements, and also you can use PC Health Checkup, which will help you to get your device status, your Windows device status, and you can easily install it from Support Microsoft. It's easy, and you can join Windows Insider so that you can get every updates of Windows updates, like new versions of Windows OS. Yeah, so it's a good thing to join Windows Insider. So guys, thank you. So this is one of my experience I've encountered. I think it's good to share. Thank you.